People of Tamil Nadu, I have an important question for you. When an ordinary poor citizen walks into a police station, does he know the law? Does he know what his legal rights are? Does he know which documents he should sign and which documents he should never sign? The truth is that most people do not. In such a situation, if the government says, we will appoint 2 lawyers in every police station to provide free legal assistance to the public, will it benefit the people? Or will it create new challenges? My view is this: if implemented honestly and effectively, it could become a great blessing for ordinary citizens. Do you know why? When a woman comes to file a complaint, when an elderly person seeks justice after being cheated, when a worker fights for his legal rights, they can immediately receive legal guidance. People trapped in false cases can understand and protect their rights. Many difficulties caused by lack of legal knowledge can be reduced. But, I want to ask the government and the authorities a question. Will this remain just another announcement? Or will it truly be implemented for the benefit of the people? Will the lawyers be available every day? Will poor citizens receive genuine assistance? Will the lawyers be allowed to give independent and unbiased advice? These are questions that deserve clear answers. People of Tamil Nadu, the courtroom is not the only gateway to justice. Sometimes, the police station becomes the first gateway to justice. If a legally trained professional stands beside the people at that gateway, many innocent lives can be protected. If this scheme is implemented sincerely, it will not merely be an administrative reform. It could become a social revolution that safeguards the rights of ordinary citizens. What is your opinion? Should every police station have 2 permanent lawyers? Or is the current system sufficient? Share your views in the comments.